Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Today I want to prepare Moi Moi. The international way of preparing Moi Moi is what I want to do today. I want to prepare it today. See the recipes I use for the Moi Moi. This is tatase. This is fresh red pepper. This is garlic onions. This crayfish. This ginger, curry, thyme and maggi. These are eggs. This stock. Water from meat. This is the beans. These onions, this groundnut oil. This is the plate for Moi Moi. So right now, I want to go and wash the beans before I start preparing.
Hey, he's body baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder.
This is the main way of preparing international Moi Moi. Right now, I've grounded the beans with the tatase pepper and garlic onions. Now put the frying pan on fire to fry half of the Moi Moi before I start mixing. So watch it. This is the diced onions. I'm going to add it to the oil on fire. So now I'm adding the diced onions inside the hot oil. Add little tomato puree. I've added little tomato puree. See the ingredients. So I'm adding the ginger, curry and thyme. The crayfish. The tomato puree did not give it a nice color. Let me add it to it. Now I'm going to add half of the grounded beans inside this sauce. Watch me. Keep turning it so that it will not stick to the pot. Little salt. It's okay. Then I'm going to carry it down and mix it with the one on the pan. I'm adding the fried beans inside the bowl. This bowl is the bowl I'm going to mix both the one on the ground and the one beans I fried together, all the everything. I'm going to mix all of them together. Let's watch. Now I'm going to add the raw beans. Raw grounded beans together with the one I fried. Mixing all of them together. I'm going to add more crayfish and little Maggi so that the taste will come out very well. And also salt. First, I'm going to add stock to the mix moi moi. You can't use ordinary water to make moi moi. You use stock. It's too thick. I have to add more stock. I'm greasing the plate with groundnut oil so that it will not stick. The moi moi will not stick to it. I'm greasing the moi moi inside the plate. Now I'm putting the moi moi on fire. The moi moi will be on fire about 20 minutes. Then I bring it down. Now let me check the moi moi. It's done already.
This is our well prepared moi moi.
This is the international way of doing moi moi. Let me see it. That's the international way of doing moi moi. This moi moi, you can serve it with white rice, jollof rice, fried rice. You can serve it, even you can use it to smoke garri. You can eat it like that. You know it's moi moi, it's beans, it's proteinous. So let me now complement it with white rice.
Hey, he's body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest.
This is our continental moi moi with white rice.
You are
How does it
murder
look?
me.